Hello everyone, welcome to Geeky Eyes. Today we are going to talk about how to check charging of your AirPods, Apple Pencil and Apple Watch in your Apple devices like iPhone or iPad. Now I will show how to check chargings of your Apple devices in iPhone first. Okay, let's go to iPhone widgets. Either you swipe left or you can go from the notifications, swipe left, both are same. So just swipe left and go to edit option in the bottom screen. So click on that, you can see whatever the selected widgets and extra widgets. In the more widgets, go to batteries, select the batteries and add it, done. So it will show your batteries in the widgets. So it is showing charging percent of your iPhone, Apple Watch as well as AirPods. So I kept AirPods out, that's why it is showing. Once you keep inside the case, it will automatically disappear after 30 seconds. So if you want to check only one AirPod charging at a time, or if you are using only one AirPod, just put one AirPod back into the case. Then you can see charging of left, right as well as case. Left AirPod, right AirPod and case. Once you close the case, after 30 seconds, whatever the AirPod inside the case as well as the charging of case will be disappeared. Only you can see the AirPod charging which is outside or you connected and listening. Same way charging of Apple Watch, you can see I put the charging as well. Currently it is charging, that's why it is showing charging symbol as well. So you can check what are the devices charging at the same time. Now the right AirPod and the Apple Watch are in charge right now, that's why you can see charge symbol. So now let's go and check the iPad. So it is also same, just go to the widgets bar, click on the edit option and just swipe up, find the battery, just add it, done. So you can see charging of your iPad as well as AirPods charging. Currently you are not able to see the charging of Apple Pencil because it's disconnected. Now it's connected again, connected back. So usually when iPad is in idle mode, Apple Pencil will be disconnected, and once the iPad is active, sometimes it will automatically connect, or else you need to plug it into the charging port so it will connect. So you can see Apple Pencil as well. Just take out the Apple Pencil and put the charging. You can see charging symbol as well. So once you put, it is showing the charging symbol. So this is how you can check the charging of AirPods, Apple Watch and Apple Pencil. And if you have any other devices, the process is same. It will automatically display whatever the supporting devices of that particular iPad or iPhone. So why you are not able to see Apple Watch charging here? Because Apple Watch is not compatible to iPad. That's why you are not able to see. Same way for the Apple Pencil, you cannot connect it to the iPhone. That's why you cannot see the charging of Apple Pencil inside the iPhone. So that's it guys. I hope you understood how to check the charging of your Apple devices all together in not all together, most of the devices which are compatible to that particular iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions or doubts, please post in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.